Hello everyone, my name is Himananda and today I'm going to discuss two topics of IT that are TOC and image sorting. First, we will start with TOC. Before starting with TOC, I will explain you what is TOC. TOC basically stands for Table of Contents. So, Table of Contents means the indexes in your books or textbooks, information of data in any book or any document, that is called table of contents. Index is called table of contents. So we will start with the table of contents now. So first click on insert, then clicking on indexes and tables, then again on indexes and tables. Then a dialog box will appear. Will do. Oh, it responded, and there are five things we can do in index or table, in which we can add type or title, create index table, evaluate up to level, create from these check options, outline additional styles and index marks. Then coming up to entries. Entries contains levels, structure and formatting, character style, format, everything. And coming up to styles, styles are basically the text styles for your data. Like you have to keep this heading, you have to keep this different. You will keep every heading different. Now you will keep title and a heading or every these things different. So coming up to columns, we have one column now. That is a page. We can divide it into two. We can divide it in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, anything you want. I will divide it in 2. So I want some spacing, a little bit. That is added in this. Then I don't want any line, so none. Then coming up to our background, there are two options for background, graphic and color. You can add color like this. Then you can add graphic if you have any file. You can browse and then link it. You can determine its position, area, tile, anything you want. We will add color. We don't have any graphic file. Then we added this color yellow too. Okay. Table of contents, that is added. So you might be thinking, where's the data? So we will add the data. First, deleting this. Delete index table. So we'll add some data, IT. Then adding input, keyboard, then mouse, output, then printer, then monitor. Okay, these things are done. Like, okay, these things are done. So I was checking the recording is on or off. Then you have to keep your cursor before all the data. So first add styles. Styles are in format. Styles and formatting. That shortcut key for this is F11. So select one by one. First add heading 1. Double click on this. Add it. Input. Heading 2. Output. Page output. Heading 2. Done. Then adding these things. I will select heading 5 for this. Heading 5 for this too. And it is done. You have to keep the cursor before, after doing this also. Then click on insert, then on indexes and tables, then all of this things. Divided in two columns. Okay, table of contents is ready. Then editing this. You have many options. No, 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 no. No selection is possible. Edit paragraph style, update index table. These are the four options you can use. Then you can update or edit. Then coming up to image inserting. Image inserting. How many steps are there to insert an image? First is insert and picture, and then from file or scan. Then after it we have open office gallery. There are two options for gallery, from this side to from this side too. You can open it from anywhere. I'm opening from top. So there are these things you can add. So okay, select this picture dialog box appears out that contains from file, filter, graphic mode, color, transparency, flip horizontally, flip vertically, and frame properties. Then there are some options by right clicking that are arrange, alignment, anchor, wrap. Arrange, alignment, anchor, wrap. This can also run. You have these things. Okay. Then coming up to color, there are these things also. Then you have red, green, blue, then brightness, then contrast, then gamma, RGB. You can keep this thing in your mind that RGB. You can add brightness, you can add contrast, you can add gamma. Done. More options to add in gallery. Then from insert there are two options from picture, or fourth is drag and drop. Simply drag and drop anything. Then there was a option too that will you tell you are seeing on this on WhatsApp or something else. You can message me, or if you're watching this on YouTube, you can comment. I'll say your point. So, what are the default handles to size your image? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, one more question for you. How we can resize this image uniformly from all sides, but we are resizing from one handle. You can hold shift key. So I'm holding shift key. Done. From any side. You can do it from any side. Any side you want, like any side. You can see. Can you see? From any side. Any particular side. From this, from this, any side. Done. So this was my thoughts about TOC and image inserting from my side. Have a nice day.